How to fix flashlight missing in your iPhone's control center. Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the flashlight missing from the iPhone control center. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Control Center. Find the option called Reset Control Center and tap it. This will restore the control center layout to default settings and usually fixes missing icons, including the flashlight. If you don't want to reset everything, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to access Control Center. Tap on the plus icon at the top left corner. Tap on Add a Control. Tap the search bar, type Torch, and hit Search. When flashlight or torch appears in the results, tap on it to add it back to your control center. And there you have it. 2 easy methods to restore the flashlight icon in your iPhone's control center. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.